so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, you know I never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if you look okay. You know I'll say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. The way you are. The way you are. Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah.
I wouldn't wanna be anybody else. Hey, you made me insecure, told me I wasn't good enough. But who are you to judge when you're a diamond in the rough? I'm sure you got some things you'd like to change about yourself, but when it comes to me, I wouldn't wanna be anybody else. I'm no beauty queen, I'm just beautiful me. You got every right to a beautiful life. Come on, who says you're not perfect? Who says you're not worth it? Who says you're the only one that's hurting? Trust me, that's the price of beauty. Who says you're not pretty? Who says you're not beautiful? Who says? It's such a funny thing how nothing's funny when it's you. You tell them what you mean, but they keep whiting out the truth. It's like a work of art that never gets to see the light. Keep you beneath the stars, won't let you touch the sky. I'm no beauty queen, I'm just beautiful me. You got every right to a beautiful life. Come on, who says you're not perfect? Who says you're not worth it? Who says you're the only one that's hurting? Trust me, that's the price of beauty. Who says you're not pretty? Who says you're not beautiful? Who says you're not star potential? Who says you're not presidential? Who says you can't be in movies? Listen to me, listen to me. Who says you don't pass the test? Who says you can't be the best? Who said? Would you tell me who said that? Yeah.
Words, nothing but words for me to show how much my love for you unfolds through trouble and fears. This love feels so free, and I need This much is true. My love is here for you.
1, 2, 3, go! Oh, si ate naka-stripe. Sa'yo naka-salot na. Really, boys? Parang walang gusto. Yung ganun style, passive.
Ay! Bilis pa!
Small gift. This came from Quezon family. If I'm not mistaken, Quezon. To Lynn and Ruben, congratulations on your wedding day. That was the small gift.
Kamu doon ako nun. Kailangan na.
Marita. Wala pala yan doon. What is that?
Ano? Saba? Tanfan.
Electric fan. Wow. Baka may initan ka sa kwarto niyo.
Hello, mayong hapon, Nutro. Ikuan man ko nga, kung sa daw mong mga kuan nga nung naabot yung ingon ani. Giyon sa pagsugod. Una sa tanan, kini lagi mga high-tech na karon. Sa una, kay tiksmit man to. Ya, karon Facebook. Nagsugod sa Friendster. Anto nag friend. Anto na close friend. Anto na kuana girlfriend. Mana dayon? Anto kuan. Anto na sa Manila. Anto na kuan. Terming long distance relationship. Anto na gawas. Grabe na kalayo, mga nanto niabot karon. Mora to. Pero wala na may Friendster siguro, Facebook na. Mora to, salamat.
Grabe talaga yung love mo. Very powerful yung love talaga, Tej. Sa ating lahat. Sa boys and girls. And now, since parang the time is over, allow me to say sorry for the inconvenience kanina sa pagkain. Nagulo yung program dito because of that happening. But we are very thankful. It's our gratitude to say thank you to Gateway Hotel.
We are young, we run free, stay up late, we don't sleep. Got our friends, got the night, we'll be all